maximum river speed in the 24 hours ending at 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday was 12.8 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to fall below flood